Hello friends, in this video I will discuss how to use Lavana package of open source software R to run parallel mediation. This is the model we are going to test. If we compare it with Haze process macros for SPSS, this is model number 4 with 2 mediators. Here we have 4 variables measure on continuous scale: student mastery goal, achievement, interest and anxiety. We are going to test effect of mastery goal on achievement, and this relationship is mediated by two variables: interest and anxiety. Now if we look at the model, mastery has direct effect of A on interest, interest has direct effect of B on achievement. Similarly, mastery has direct effect of E on achievement, mastery has direct effect of C on anxiety, and anxiety has direct effect of D on achievement. Further, mastery has indirect effect on achievement through interest, and that is calculated by multiplication of A and B. Similarly, mastery has indirect effect on achievement through anxiety, and that is calculated by multiplication of C and D. Mastery has total effect, that is summation of direct and indirect effect on achievement. We will test this model using Lavana package of open source software R. I have already imported data into R and activated Lavana library. Let's run the model. Let's run the SEM command with bootstrap of 1000. It will take some time to execute the command. Yes, command is executed, and let's generate the summary. I will copy this summary in presentation for further explanation. Now, if you look at the outcome of direct effect, we can see that mastery has direct effect of 0.770 on interest, and that is significant. Significance value is less than 0.05. Similarly, interest has direct effect of 0.211 on achievement, that is also significant. Mastery has direct effect on achievement by 0.345, and that is also significant. Mastery has direct effect on anxiety by minus 0.39, negative effect on anxiety, that is also significant. But anxiety has no effect on achievement, that is not significant. P value is greater than 0.05. Now if we consider indirect and total effect, mastery goal has indirect effect of 0.162 on achievement through interest, and that is also significant. Indirect effect of mastery goal on achievement through anxiety is not significant. P value is greater than 0.05, and mastery has total effect of 0.524 on achievement, that is also significant. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy.